Episode 2, The Flooding Aftermath. So, you know about that flood that just happened yesterday? Yeah, it was kind of weird. That map I just gave you, right now we're in Cattown. Oh, how do you know we're in Cattown? You literally just told me a few minutes ago. Oh, and we all have to travel to the Cat Desert to get that treasure. The Cat Deserts? What? Why do we have to go to the Cat Desert? Because that's where treasures are usually located, in sand, under the ground. Not usually in caves, under the sand. Guess we have to go to a sand. Okay, I'll just put this in the house. So what are we gonna do with a wet house? Just clean it. How? Power washing it. That's gonna make it even more wet. I have a better idea. Just cover the whole house with a giant washcloth, and then it'll be clean. No, Maxwell, we're gonna have to get all the washcloths in the log cabin. Oh. So how are you gonna find that? I think I have a paraglider. Where? In my log cabin. You mean our log cabin? Oh, yeah. Got it. It can only fit 2 people. I have another one. Okay. Now all you have to do is start the engine and fly away with your other friend. Okay, let's go on. What are we waiting for? Get the map as well. I forgot that thing was lightning fast. Oh. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Day 8. Day 9. Day 10. Day 11. Day 12. Day 13. Day 14. Day 15. Day 16. Day 17. Day 18. Day 19. Day 20. To be continued.